Are you looking for a perfect place to learn Adobe Illustrator? Then you're in the right place. This is an in-depth, easy to follow and practical course. My name is Javed and I'm a graphic designer. In this course we will start from the scratch learning the basic shapes and designing eye-catching objects. After each section you will have challenge to put your knowledge into practice. By the end of this course, you will learn the basics of vector graphics, how to create stunning logos, icons, flyers, and more, how to use the pen tool and curvature tool to create complex shapes, how to play with strokes, shapes, and lines, how to cut, trim, merge multiple shapes, how to get your design with the highest quality possible, how to create this flat design all with rectangle shape, how to draw the Batman logo with the pen tool and Angry Bird with the curvature tool, and you will learn how to use the shape builder tool to create this complex shape. At the end of the course, you will practice your skills by practically designing some of the biggest companies' logos. With the knowledge gained in this Illustrator course, you will be well equipped to tackle any design project. Enroll in this course now and learn Adobe Illustrator quickly and easily.